Hi, my dear students. Welcome to the Wisdom Era online classes. Yes, my dear students, in previous class, we are started a new lesson, that is adventure in the woods, right? Yes. In previous class, we all discussed and we all learned the concepts like deforestation, consequences of deforestation and Chipko movement, right? Yes, in today's class, let's start the lesson. I will give the explanation about this lesson. See here, Mukul and Tony lived in the beautiful hillside town of Konthar. Yes, Mukul and Tony. Yes, here Mukul and Tony both are good friends and they are lived in the beautiful hillside town of Konthar. Where they are lived? They are lived in hillside town of Konthar. Next, on the edge of the town was thick forest where many animals lived. Here, on the edge of the town means here the edge, the lost border, the lost stage of the town, there was a thick forest. In that forest, many animals lived. Lived in that forest. Next, every evening after school, Mukul and Tony would go to play with their friends in the field near the woods. Yes, here Tony and Mukul both are very good friends and close friends. Every day evening after completing their school, they go to play with their friends near the woods. Yes, they are enjoying and they are playing with their friends in the field. Yes, like that you are also doing, right? Next, they greatly enjoyed themselves running in the green field, throwing stones into the brook and shouting back to the chirping sparrows. Here, Tony and Mukul, they refers to here Tony and Mukul both are enjoying themselves. How they are enjoying? They are enjoying in the green field by throwing stones into the brook. Brook means stream. They are throwing stones into the brook and make shout back to the chirping sparrows. They making high pitch sound. They make high pitch sound and enjoying themselves and back to the chirping sparrows. Understood? Next, one evening the two friends were so busy at play that they did not notice it was getting dark. They had run too far from the town towards the woods. All other children had gone home. Mukul and Tony were lost in the woods. It means one day what happened? Here two friends were so busy at play. Here two friends are very busy in play, so that they did not notice it was getting dark. They did not recognize that it is already night because they are very busy at playing, so that they did not recognize. Next, they had run too far from the town towards the woods. Here friends are run too far from the town towards the woods because of playing. They are run very far from the town, so that they are not able to go to home. All other children had gone home. Mukul and Tony were lost in the woods. Here all other children had gone to home. Only Mukul and Tony were lost in the woods. The boys knew there were wild animals in the woods. They held each other's hand and walked in terror. Here Tony and Mukul knew that there were wild animals in forest, so that both are held each other's hand and walked in terror, because there is horrible in darkness, so that both are holding the hands each other and walked in terror. Yes, my dear students, you are also holding your friend's hand and your parents' hands also, right? When they are very horrible thing when there is horrible thing. Like that here also Tony and Mukul holding each other's hand and walked in terror. Next, Tony said, "We can't hope to get home tonight. Let's climb a tree and spend the night there." Mukul agreed. Here, Mukul agreed that. What he agreed? Tony said that we can't hope to get home tonight. Let's climb a tree and spend today's night in that forest. In that forest means in that tree. Mukul agreed Tony's words. Next, here both are understanding each other, so that what Tony said, Mukul agreed to the Tony's words. Next, the boys, here boys means here Mukul and Tony. Both boys are spend the night in the trees. They are climb a tree and spend the night in that tree. And soon they were sitting on a thick branch of a tree. "Let's pray to God that the elves and fairies of the woods protect us," said Mukul. Here Tony said that, yes, here soon they were sitting on a thick branch of a tree. Both Tony and Mukul climb a tree and sitting on the branches of a tree. Both are start to pray the God. Both are start to pray the God and saying himself that elves and fairies of the woods protect us. Here the gods are protect us. The God protect us. Like that Mukul said to the Tony. Next, here elves means little creatures with human form and pointed ears in children's stories. Is here elf. Elf is a singular. Elves is a plural. Understood? Next, the boys soon dozed off. Late in the night, they were awakened by loud noises of metals clashing and banging mixed with people's voices. Here, the boys soon dozed off. Mukul and Tony slept very soon. Next, late in the night, they were awakened by loud noises of metals clashing and banging mixed with people's voices. Late in the night means here midnight. What happened in midnight means Tony and Mukul awake by loud noises of metals. They are awake by the loud noises of metals clashing and banging mixed with people's voices. Both are awakened. Next, Mukul, we are saved. It must be mum and dad with the police. Let's get down. Here, Tony said to Mukul, "Hey Mukul, we are saved here because mum and dad come with the police. So that let's get down." Like that Tony said. Next, as they approached the source of the sound, they found it was not their parents, but men carrying lanterns, axes, saws, and bag of other tools. They were arguing about which trees they should cut. Here, they listened the loud noises, so that they are awakened suddenly, and they found that it was not the parents' voice, but other men came here. They carrying lanterns, axes, saws, and a bag of other tools also. And they are started to arguing about each other, which trees we should cut first. Like that, the men are arguing each other. These incidents are seen by the Mukul and Tony. Understood? Yes. Next, Tony and Mukul were shocked to see this. They knew how dangerous it was to cut trees. They remembered what they had learnt about deforestation and climate change from their books. Here, Tony and Mukul knew that, and they were very shocked to see this. And they also knew how it was dangerous to cut trees. They knew that how much it was dangerous, and also they remembered that they remembered what they had learned about deforestation. Yes, my dear students, I already told you about deforestation before the class, right? Yes. What will happen after deforestation? Yes. After deforestation, it loses the nutrients. It lost nutrients in the soil, right? And animal species and plants are not there, right? So that next, like that, deforestation will happen means these causes and consequences are held. Next, Mukul, we can't allow this. We must stop them. Tony said, "Wait, they look so dangerous. Let's see what they're up to." What they're up to, said Mukul. Yes, here Tony said, sorry. Yes, so Tony said it to Mukul, "We can't allow this. We can't allow this, Mukul. We must stop them." Tony said it to Mukul. "Wait, they look so dangerous. Let's see what they're up to." Yes, here Mukul said it to Tony. Wait, wait, Tony. It looks so dangerous. Let's see what they are up to. Yes, my dear students, up to this, I will stop the lesson. In the next class, I will continue the remaining lesson. Thank you.